Alright, we are out here in Yilan, Taiwan, and I have been granted special access to check out the Yilan Chenghuang Temple. Now this temple right here, it was built in 1813 by, I believe it was the Qing dynasty. Don't mind me as I read my notes here, but I want to make sure I get the information correct. So this was built in the Qing dynasty just 1 year after old Yilan was founded. So I'm not going to read this too much. I just want to take you inside and we're going to come and take a look at it. Like I said, I got special access to film in here, so I want to show you. All right, go ahead and show them around a little bit. Now, here we are about to enter the temple. I'm not going to be too loud. Now, I want to show you something here on the, as soon as you enter to the left here, take a look at this right here. Now these gods, these are actually gods, and each one represents something different. So these altars here is where people will pray to the god. Now I don't want to talk too loud because this is an active temple, so I don't want to be disrespectful. But each one of these gods is a different god. Now there's one here that was kind of scared me a little bit. He is not a devil. He is actually a good god, but he needs to be a little scary. And okay, now this guy here is a pretty cute guy. He's supposed to be like a little baby here. See that right there? Okay. Now there's a family over there. The family is in charge of the temple. So hello everybody. I'm showing them the temple. Now this is the main altar for the main god there. So very beautiful there. Okay. And like I said, I don't want to talk too loud. I don't want to disrespect the temple. That's why I'm keeping it kind of quiet. Now you gotta understand, this is Qing dynasty, so it's very impressive. Look at this right here. I highly recommend anyone that visits Taiwan, I highly recommend you stop at Yilan, at the Yilan Chenghuang Temple from 1813. The temple is mostly founded on donations, so to keep this temple going, they have to have a lot of donations. Now we're going to walk this way here. When you enter the temple, you enter on the left and you come out on the right. So we are now exiting. I can't show you too much more. You have to come down here and see it for yourself because it's a very beautiful temple. Showing you some of these grand arches have been restored. So these have been restored through the donations of the people. They were able to fix a lot of this. And one last god here. Now, if you want to come down here and visit, you can give the temple a donation. Your name will be right on this wall here. These are the donors of the temple, and thank you to them for keeping this temple going. And as we exit, I want to show you a beautiful painting on the door here. Now, some people might even consider this an art museum because of these beautiful paintings, but it is an active temple. As we exit out, we can get one last look from the outside. there it is. Once again, the Yilan Chenghuang Temple from 1813. The office of Yilans City God and the best collection of 1920s Yilan craftsmanship. Because of their work, today's Yilan Chenghuang Temple can be considered an art museum. All right, y'all. Once again, it's your man DJ Real One, and I am out here in Yilan, Taipei. Thank you to the kind people out here, my family out here in Yilan, and we are out.